The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: Marion County in central Indiana, Hancock County in east central Indiana, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:35 p.m., trained weather spotters located the tornado quickly tracking east along I-70 moving at 60 miles per hour. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or substantial object. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of a building in an interior room, such as a hallway or closet. Hazard: large tornado, high winds, hail. Source: trained weather spotters. This replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.